So for this question, right, okay, we are supposed to find the largest whole number that is a factor of both 156 and 168. Okay, so if you consider these two numbers, 156 and 168, right, again, what we do is if you want to find, we are basically looking at the largest. Also, you can also think of it as the highest, right? So this is actually something you know, right? So the largest, you can also think of it as the highest, right? And it's a factor of 168. That means what? This is trying to say that this is a common factor. Okay, a common factor. So what do we do when we are finding the common factor is that now we look at, remember, we always look at, for common factors, right, we only look at factors that are in common, all right, the prime factors that are in common, and we always consider the lowest index. Okay, so if you consider this question, right, you see, okay, only 2 is in common, right, between the two numbers, and 3 is in common, right? 13 and 17, they are not common among the two factors, the two numbers, so we can leave it out. So the HCF very easily, if you look at 2, right, you only look at the factors that are in common and you look at the lowest index. 2 and 3, we will take the number 2. Okay, the next one, 3, like both are 3 power 1, so we take the number 3, right? So again, this is the question already, all right? So our answer is just 2 power 2 times 3, which is equals to 12.